Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 29. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 27. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northern and northwestern New Jersey and eastern, southeastern, and northeastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. It can spawn a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset.
And they interrupted it.